What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are obviously in a townhouse. Maybe it's not so obvious, I don't know. But we got the laundry sink that's backing up. Every time they use the kitchen, it comes up. So, I showed you guys these before. They always put the clean out way down here. Makes no sense to me. But the laundry drain is going to come over, tie into the vent here. This is the kitchen sink. It's going to go down, and the problem's most likely going to be right in the floor. You can see this has actually been dug up before. So we are going to cut the stack, the vent stack that is. We always cut it above the sink level. That way no water goes on the floor. Alright. Did you say you're looking for your purse, ma'am? Did you say you're looking for your purse?
Yes.
The black one?
Yes.
Down here on the chair. No problem.
Yes. Now I remember. Why so many things? My mom didn't open.
I know, eh?
It's my day off today.
It's your day off, but you don't actually get a day off.
No.
All running around, eh? Have a good day.
Have a good day. Good.
Thank you. You as well. All right. Here goes. Just cleared right now. So we did have a little lint on our cable, but you can see there's a lot more there. Alright, and this is 1.5 inches. No, this is 1.25 inches Frenkel coupling. There you go. And that's still good. Thanks for watching, guys. Trogna.